Hi guys, it's Dan from K-Tec Racing here, and I'm in a newly formed fabrication unit in Wolverhampton in the UK. And this little video is just to sort of explain our fabrication process to you. It's a bit of a behind the scenes show of what our fabricator Matt gets up to. Matt joined us a while ago now and has been instrumental in leading our development of exhaust products. And we also wanted to enhance the quality of our exhaust products and the availability of them. So doing those in-house, we can control it a lot better. So I just wanted to sort of show you a bit about the process from start to finish of the welding and the manufacturing of exhausts that you guys are buying off our store. So as you can see here, we have a finished product that we want to use as an example. This is the KTR 172 decapped pipe. As you can see, it's fairly small. It's a fairly small item, but actually a lot of work goes into this item. Now, there are companies out there that are doing this a lot faster and quicker than us, but they're not using the same quality of materials. They're cutting corners. For instance, this will all be made out of one singular pipe, done in a mandrel bender. We're doing this with a few different points to make sure that it looks nicer as well for the end customer, the end user, and also that it's just much better quality stainless steel that we're using. You can see it's got a lovely tag on it as well. As you can see, Matt has got the beautiful rainbows on this exhaust here from this. But how does this start? So looking at it here, we have the jig for it. So a jig is basically the frame that the pipe is made in. And it starts with all these parts, so everything is manufactured here. So as you can see, we have the two ends, we've got O2 bosses, and then there's four pipes that go in and a few different little connectors. This is laid up in the jig. Matt does this, obviously the start and the finish of the system, and then he tacks it up, welds it, and then he'll go over to the rotating device there where he can weld perfectly round it, and we'll show you a bit of that now as well. But these products are all handmade in the UK, so this is all manufactured and made in the UK using UK stainless steel as well, which we're very proud to use. And all these products are made from local suppliers. So for instance, these flanges here, they're made literally over the road at our friends at JLC Laser. These come from a local supplier around the corner, for instance. So we try and use as much UK made manufacturing processes and suppliers as we can throughout the process itself. We then have sports cats. So this also comes in sports cat option. So these are the sports cats that we use. These are Euro 4 high flow sports cats that get welded in obviously to the system as well. So just wanted to show you a little bit behind the scenes of how it starts, how we make the certain products for you guys. It's really important that this is a handmade process for us, not a big factory process or being made out in big bulk in Asia or China where people don't care about the product. Matt truly loves the products that he's producing, and that also means that sometimes these can take a bit longer to make as well. So with them being handmade in the UK, these aren't mass produced in a huge factory. These are properly made systems, properly welded, back purged in a lot of areas as well. A lot of the systems are back purged. So just to make sure that if it's not shown in stock, if you do put an order on the site, that this is processed in the UK by Matt and it's handmade for you guys. So there might be a small delay on getting that product made, but when you do get the product, you know that it's a quality part that you're getting. One also real important part to the process is we're now 3D printing a lot of our parts that help with the jigs, and most of our newer jigs are actually 3D printed, again in-house with our 3D printer. So we're going to go and show you now in the office what that sort of looks like and what that entails as well. So Matt is also a genius on the 3D printer as well. So we have this lovely Bamboo Lab X1 carbon that we invested in, and as you can see, it's actually working behind me now. So Matt uses this in a number of different ways. So he uses this to mock parts up that's used in fabrication. So for instance, these are flanges to make sure that they they work and they match what we're copying against. He also makes products for us, so our 3D printed products that are on the store. So for instance, this is a new product that is a map hold down sensor. So instead of a metal one that we traditionally used, we wanted to do a few different colours. So we've modelled that and actually made a load of different colours now, which is available on the store to go and check out. That's for the Clio 3s. And as you can see, it's printing behind us, so we can, you can get really expensive 3D printers out there that do a hell of a lot more, but this kind of does what we need it to do at the moment. It might be worth in the future, we'll look at investing in a bigger one and ones that can do different materials, but for now this is absolutely great for what we do. So this absolutely helps Matt in doing his day-to-day job, but it also adds to our online store and availability of products that we can literally just make in-house and just keep us running all day printing products for you guys. So another part of Matt's role is to look at the 3D scanning of parts. So as you can see here, we've got a couple of example parts that have these weird dots over, even down to small little parts like that. So that's that map sensor that we have remodeled to print on the 3D printer at the minute. As you can see, they've got little sort of dots on, and we use those as reference points for the 3D scanner. So as you'll be able to see now, Matt can scan over a product and it will actually drag that product and model it into our software. That then enables us to change the design, look at the design in the software, and maybe print a prototype and then take it into production. So there's quite a lot that goes into our products, obviously, as you can see. So we have loads of different products at the moment that we are looking at and modelling. So it's a real important part of the business again is product development, which we're constantly looking at doing and launching new products and looking at how we can make those products better with different suppliers maybe. So it's a really integral part, the 3D scanning, the 3D printing and fabrication. Matt is doing all three of those and is an absolute genius at all of them. So but what we wanted to show is that most of the products that we're doing are made or modelled or designed in the UK. A lot of companies now are going out to China for a lot of these different things. We wanted to show that this is all done in-house, all with very expensive equipment, that we have to invest in and keep investing in to make sure that we can bring the best quality of products to you guys for Renault, Hyundai and Abarth parts. So just a little video to show you behind the scenes of our new unit that Matt is in and working from. We hope you've enjoyed the video, a bit of a behind the scenes as to what's going on in K-Tec at the moment with the fabrication side and product development. And please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Thanks guys.